Culture and Heritage Museums has a large textile collection that includes over 100 quilts. Proper handling and storage of the historic quilts is important to ensure their long-term preservation. In situations where the quilts are in good condition, it is best to roll the quilts on an acid-free tube 2 or 3 inches in diameter. The tube is wrapped with a barrier material called Marvel Seal that helps limit the transfer of water vapor and any off-gassing of the cardboard. Once the tube is prepped, staff lay out enough archival tissue paper to cover the quilt that is being rolled. The tissue paper is laid down, overlapping when needed, on the work surface with the quilt placed on top of it, patterned side down. After staff inspect both sides of the quilt for damage, the quilt and tissue paper are slowly and carefully rolled onto the archival tube. Due to the size of the quilts, it is recommended to have at least 2 people rolling the quilt while a third help guides it, making any adjustments needed to ensure the quilt stays flat during the rolling process. The rolling of the archival tissue paper with the quilt creates a barrier layer between the fabric, meant to prevent any pigment transfer of the dyed material. Once the quilts are rolled onto the tube, a dust cover, usually made of muslin or Tyvek, is put on top of the rolled quilt to further protect it while being stored. Staff ensure any identification information is put on a tag and attached to the outside of the dust cover, and then stores the rolled textile on the rolled textile rack in the Historical Center of York County's collection storage area. Any handling that occurs during the rolling process is done with thoroughly washed hands, with staff also wearing clean, white cotton gloves to ensure the oils and acids on our hands do not transfer over to the textile.